Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Lamborghini Urus in drive. To begin, locate the central console's Tamburo selector, which is your main control for driving modes and gear selection. First, ensure your foot is on the brake. Then, press the P button on the Tamburo to disengage the parking brake and put the vehicle out of park. Finally, pull either the right or left paddle shifter behind the steering wheel to engage drive. The Tamburo is the Urus's central control hub, allowing you to adjust various vehicle settings. It features an anima selector to cycle through different driving modes. Strata mode is ideal for everyday comfort and smooth driving. For a more dynamic feel, select Sport mode, which sharpens throttle response and stiffens the suspension. If you're heading to the track, Corsa mode provides the most aggressive settings for maximum performance. Beyond the standard modes, the Urus offers specialized settings for diverse terrains. Neve mode is specifically designed for slippery conditions like snow and ice, optimizing traction control for stability. For off-road adventures, Terra mode adjusts suspension height and all-wheel drive for gravel or dirt tracks. If you find yourself on sandy landscapes, Sabia mode is calibrated to maintain agility and precision on sand dunes. Once in drive, you can use the paddle shifters for manual gear changes, giving you more control over the Urus's powerful engine. To return to park, simply press the P button located on the Tamburo. This engages the parking brake and secures the vehicle. Remember to always have your foot on the brake when shifting between drive and park. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.